play with it. I think I should be put this.
Mix it properly, baby. Mix it. Shall mix it properly?
I'm mixing it.
You need a big one.
Do you want a big cake? Okay, we need a big one.
Or just a bit.
Okay, I'm done.
What happened now, baby?
I'm just only mixing cake.
What? Ano daw? Just mixing the cake. Just only mixing the cake?
Mix it like that. Stop playing. Galang ko na nga. Keep mixing. I'm gonna wash this.
Okay.
And I need more butter.
More butter?
Yeah, for putting it.
You finished the butter?
No.
Here, mix the butter. Yeah, very good si Shami. Can I smell your kilikili?
No.
Yeah, please, I want to smell your kilikili.
No.
Oh, very nice.
I need to show. Actually, that sounds very good.
Shami.
Girl.
Ay! Oh, I want.
It's okay. It's so funny.
It's so funny.
I'm done.
It's so funny?
Yes, I'm done. Not yet. Oh, I need the butter again. That's enough of mixing. Yes, I'm done. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the cinnamon. I think pa ba yun?
Oh, sige. Kuha ka dyan.
I will make a give it a stir. Want me to mix that now? Okay, mix.
Mix it.
It's chocolate. It's not chocolate, it's cinnamon for making it sound good. Oh, good.
Paano kaya yung kinain ko?
Let me mix it.
Anyway. Nag-gym naman
Okay,
ang
here.
Kesh, no? Where, ano yun? Si Ria, where is she? Again?